Lesley.
Well, I just want to say the hugest congratulations to you, Patricia. You deserve this day, like as your crowning glory. You have worked relentlessly hard on your business since long before the pandemic, getting to know and adore you. You're just such an inspiration to me, and I love your energy and just how you throw everything at it. And I knew as soon as the pandemic hit, I was like, Patricia, this is your time. I'm just delighted that you, like, no grass grew under you. You took immediate advantage of it and just gave the world your gifts. I know that so congratulations. So congratulations to you on that. I know, selfishly speaking, when the hit, as the chair of the Leadership Niagara PAC and a program that had to go from completely in person to completely online, and being sort of the one-stop responsible for that, I was like, you know what? We need Patricia. And I went to our board and said, can I just tap someone to be a part of this? And they said, yes, these are unprecedented. So Patricia, help. And you've just been such an absolute asset to the whole process and that whole program. So on behalf of myself, congratulations. And on behalf of Leadership Niagara, thank you so much for bringing your gift and your genius to us.
Thank you so much.
You're awesome. Awesome, 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 girl.
Appreciate that.